as they grow, we know that the snoring goes away in a lot of kids. The problem is the consequences of the snoring don't. So what's happening in these children is when they're snoring is they're getting low oxygen levels. And those low oxygen levels are causing a myriad of problems. And this is all measurable. So we can do MRI scans in children's brains that snore. And what it shows is that parts of the brain that deal with concentration, behavior, memory, personality, emotions are dysfunctional.